Hello dear student, welcome to the chapter his first flight. फर्स्ट फ्लाइट के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में है. यंग सीगुल वॉज अलोन एंड हिज लेज, यानी पहली उड़ान. His two brothers and sisters had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge, where he slept at night. Two of his brothers and his little sister ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away. He failed to muster up courage to take the plunge. His mother and father came around, calling to him shrilly, threatening to let him starve unless he flew away, but for the life of him, he could not move. It was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. 24 hours ago की बात हो गई, बेचारा जो है फंस गया है. He had not eaten since the previous night. There was not a single scrap of food left. He then trotted back and forth, trying to find some means of reaching his parents without having to fly. Between him and his parents, there was a deep, wide chasm. पानी से घिरा हुआ क्षेत्र. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau dozing. His father was preening the feathers on his back. Only his mother was looking at him. Now and again, she tore at a piece of fish. They lay at her feet and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. The sight of the food maddened him. He uttered a low cackle. उसने आवाज निकाली क्या? फिश उसके लिए लेके आए. His mother cackled too and looked over at him. Ga ga ga, he cried, begging her to bring him over soon food. Ga, ooh la. She screamed back, but he kept calling, and after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him with it. He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her. But when she was just opposite him, she halted, her legs hanging near her wings, motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost reached off his beak. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer. Then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards in space. His mother had swooped upwards. A terror seized him, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a moment. The next moment, he felt his wings spread outwards. He could feel the tips of the wings cutting through the air. उड़ना सीख रही है ना? He was not falling now. He was no longer afraid. He uttered a joyous scream. He scared high. He soared high. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly and commenced himself to dive and soar and curvet, speaking shrilly. Guys, shrilly का मतलब क्या होता है? हाई पिच्ड पियर्सिंग वॉइस और साउंड, तेज आवाज में, है ना? टैपिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? टू टच करना या हिट करना. स्विफ्ट का मतलब क्या है? फ्लाई और मूव डाउन. ये सब मीनिंग है, तो याद करना. आप पैराग्राफ लिख लेंगे कैसे आपने बाइसिकल सीखी. ये डायलॉग है, डायलॉग कन्वर्जेशन है. यहाँ पर बानी और रतन के बीच कन्वर्जेशन दिया है, और इमेजिनरी कन्वर्जेशन आपको करना ब्रदर सिस्टर के बीच में, और टीवी चैनल जब देखते हैं ना अलग अलग, टीचर स्टूडेंट के बीच में, पिकनिक स्पॉट पर. सभी के अलग अलग क्वालिटीज़ हैं. ये कुछ क्वालिटीज़ गिवन हैं, में से कुछ क्वालिटीज़ आपको यहाँ भरनी है. ये मैच करने प्लंग, सीगुल, चेस्म, है ना? डीप गैप है ना चेस्म वाला, ये डीप गैप. बाकी आप ऊपर से देख के करेंगे, ठीक है? ये चैप्टर का ही है. द यंग सीगुल वॉज एलोन ऑन द लेज बिकॉज sister had flown away. He had been afraid to fly. His mother wanted him to be. क्योंकि उसकी माँ चाहती थी, उसकी बहन उड़ गई थी. हाँ, the of the food maddened him. क्या? इस साइट बेसिकली ऊपर साइड दिया गया था. The young seagull could not reach his parent because he was afraid to fly. उड़ने से डर रही थी वो. ये वही से फिल करना है आपको. जैक और क्रिस्टी के बीच में है. I have to go for the match. I got to rush by for now. I'm afraid I too must leave. Take care. See you. ये भी जाना चाहिए. ये एक्सप्रेशन है, डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज होते, बाय, सी यू लेटर, सी यू, आई विल बेटर बी गोइंग, आई हैव टू बी गोइंग नाउ। आपको ड्रॉ करना कलरफुल पिक्चर अबाउट स्टोरी जो आपने रीड की है स्पेस में, ठीक है ना। लाइन्स आपको मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में। थैंक यू।